I'm going to say something that might not be so popular. I get a lot of DMs, and as you already know, I don't like labels, but I can't ignore this one. A lot of men suffer in silence, not because they are weak, but because they were taught to carry everything and never speak. People call it mental health. I just call it isolation. And you might feel ashamed, and the belief that you might feel alone. Listen carefully. You are not your dark thoughts. You are not your mistakes. And you don't have to carry everything by yourself. It's not weak to talk. It's not weak to pretend you're fine while you are breaking inside. Strong men build, men take responsibility. But strong men also reach out. If you're struggling, talk to someone. A friend, family, a mentor. Don't die in silence.